Thank you, viewers. Thank you, lovers of mathematics. I am Tutor Cletus Okole. In today's class, we shall be solving exponential equation. The question is already written on the board, and it is given if 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 minus 7x raised to power 0 is equal to 121. What is the value of x? What should be the value of x? For the whole of the left-hand side to be equal to the right-hand side. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Also, like my videos for more access so that people can have access to my videos. Alright, let us dive in. Watch till the end. Okay, by solution to this question, we are given to solve 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 minus 7x raised to power 0 equal to 121. We want to find x. The first thing we will do is to look at this x raised to power 0. The law of indices says that any letter raised to power 0 is equal to 1, and any number raised to power 0 is also equal to 1. So, zero index law says that anything raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, I will now have x raised to power 0 as 1. This will now give me 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 minus 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 121. This will now give me 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 minus 7 equal to 121. What I will do next, I will move minus 7 from the left hand side to the right hand side. And when it crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus. This will be 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 is equal to 121, then plus 7. That is where we are now. Good. And that will still be for us 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 equal to 128, because the addition of 121 plus 8 will give us plus 7 will give us 128. Alright, at this point I can take a division of both sides by 2. The reason is because I have a coefficient of 2 to the x power 4. I want to divide both sides by 2, and this is going to be 2x raised to power x raised to power 4 divided by 2 is equal to 128 divided by 2. So 2 can now cancel 2, leaving me with x to the power of x to the power of 4 equal to 2 divide 128 will give me 64. Okay, 64. Beautiful. Alright, it is moving with speed. Now, at this juncture, what I want to do, I have x raised to power x raised to power 4. What I want to do, I want to multiply both sides of the equation by power 4. In other words, I want to multiply the exponents on both sides, because 64 is the same thing as 64 raised to power 1. So I'm going to multiply the exponents by 4. The reason why I want to do that is that I want to put it in such a way that I can apply a law in indices which will help me to get the answer quickly. And that means I will now have ax to the power of x to the power of 4 multiplied by power of 4 equal to 64 multiplied by power 4. Beautiful. I have now multiplied both sides of the equation by power 4. Alright, by law of indices, we have it that if we are given a raised to power x into power y, by law of indices, which is the exponential rule in indices, both of them will multiply to give me a raised to power xy. In other words, I will multiply this 4, which is represented by my y here outside the bracket, with this x to the power 4. And when that happens, what I shall have written is x, then 4 times x to the power 4 will give me 4x to the power 4 equal to 64. Also, 64 is the same thing as 8 raised to the power 2. 8 raised to the power 2, that is 64 for me. Alright, 8 raised to the power 2, that is 8 times 8. Therefore, I write my 64 inside the bracket as now 8 to the power of 2, then t to the power of 4. Beautiful. All these are to achieve something and get the value of x, which is our target. Looking from the left hand side, if you don't mind, I want to put into the bracket this first part. Since the law says that a raised to the power x all to the power of y is the same thing as a raised to the power xy. So, if I now come here and put it like this, just put in a bracket, I just repeated it. Therefore, this is now written like this, implying that I have x raised to the power 4 to the power of x raised to the power 4. That is, I have x raised to the power 4, then x again raised to the power 4 equal to, remember that the one inside can multiply with the one outside. So 2 multiplied by 4 will give me 8 to the power of 8. I am good to go. You know, math is life. Looking at this the way it is, we can now apply the law of indices that says, if I have a to the power of a equal to b to the power of b, automatically the basis becomes equal. We now say that the bases are equal. So a is equal to b. That is the meaning. So looking at this, the base is the same as the power. The base here, a, the power is also a. And by the right hand side, the base is b, the power is also b. That is what we are having here. The base here is x raised to the power 4, the power is x raised to the power 4. By the right hand side, the base is 8, the power is also 8. And by this law in indices, the bases are equal. So x to the power 4, which is the base by the left hand side, is equal to 8, which is the base by the right hand side. I can now write that x to the power 4 is equal to 8, the base. And by this, I am close to getting the value of x. What I will do to get this x is to multiply both sides of the power by 1 over 4. And that means I shall now write x to the power of 4 multiplied by 1 over 4. And to the right hand side, I do the same thing. 8 to the power of 1 over 4. Beautiful. So that the 4 here at the denominator can cancel this 4, leaving me with just x by the left hand side. So we now say that x is now equal to 8 raised to the power 1 over 4, which can also be written as the 4th root of 8. Final answer. Alright. So, in the question that we are given to find the value of x, we have gotten the value of x, and it is the 4th root of 8, or 8 raised to the power 1 over 4. If you don't mind, I give you the task, substitute the value of x, which is the 4th root of 8, into the given question by the left hand side, and I bet you it will be exactly 121. Okay, should we do it? Okay, you do it for me. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, also like my videos. God bless you for watching.